good is this for starting the morning? Vipers Run Club, we do our social run on Tuesday morning. Manly Beach with the sun coming up. It's going to be a great day of cooking ahead. First up, we've got a blood orange and honey glazed side of salmon. Reduced nicely, just sort of touching it with the brush at the top, and then it just drizzles its way down. Lemon juice over the top, and then just finish it off with some little microgreens as well. And that is a very pretty plate. The harbour is sparkling, the ferries are popping in and out, then into a delicious hot pork roll with a celery and apple slaw. Then a bit of freshness, and then just little delicate hands. Now it's time for the hero. Perfect. It's too good not to have a bite, I think. So good. Yum. And finally, a mushroom, ricotta and truffle pizzas. Using these beautiful Aussie Swiss brown mushrooms. Just scatter them over. Perfect. Turn the turntable. Round she goes. That is looking amazing. Not only has Manly got one of the best sunsets in the world, and now has one of the best mushroom pizzas. So good.